Right guys, welcome to another video featuring Mr. Breps. He's joining me for the first ride. We're going to see how this bike's feeling because, as you know, if you saw the last video, we installed the exhaust. It's a nice day. We got some time to get the bikes out. Sun is hitting right now. It's going to be a nice sunset today. What a good time for a first ride. Let's go. I rode it gently here. I didn't want to get the full experience until I was filming with you guys, so here we go. I think like 3K is the perfect brap. Like little 2.5K. I like that one actually. Oh, it hits so nice. Ready? Oh shit, boy! I can't believe we finally got the stock exhaust on there. Unbelievable! Ha! That's the energy we've been looking for. Oh! I nearly died coming around this corner the other day. So dusty, I hit a stone and that was nearly... Like, he's taking a piss. We don't want to hear that. We've got new camera settings as well, guys, so let me know what you think down below. I do not want to be going on these cracks. Fucking crazy road. Oh my. What a good place to bring the bike. Make sure that back brake's on. She's good. She's so good! Ah! The amount of energy going through me right now. Oh. You might think I'm overreacting, but when you do have a fucking stock exhaust in an MT07, ah! Look at her. I'm so happy with this. Me and Mr. Braps were just discussing. He's got the Akrapovic, the titanium, full titanium system. To any of you lot who own one and know what they sound like with the baffles in, you'll know what I'm about to talk about. With the baffles in, it's too quiet. With the baffles out, it's way too loud. Cough B, where is that B? Yeah, with the baffles out, any MT07 is so loud, which is fine. But if you're trying to do stuff like this, it's really not ideal. This is the perfect in between. I couldn't be more happy with my choice. I searched all of YouTube for all videos on all the exhausts. It's hard to tell through the screen, obviously, but I was looking for ones which had the baffle in. As soon as I see this one, I sent it to Mr. Braps. I was like, check that one. I didn't really care how loud it was when you're like redlining it and pinning it, and I just wanted that that proper brap feel, sound, and like kick to the exhaust. And it's exactly what I got. This exhaust has exceeded my expectations. We will go probably into the village. I've got to do a couple bits anyway, so I'll go on a little cruise with this, test it out proper. I'm not going to sit at the strip, but oh my god, guys, comment down below what you think. Rate the sound 1 to 10. Let's fire her up for you lot. I wish I could catch the audio from behind the bike right now, but I can't. Oh! Let's get it to like that 3.5K mark. Yeah, she's nice. There she is. Barking off! Next up, we've got the chain and sprocket going on with a flip plate. Still waiting for my parts. Come on, True Tension. What's going on? Ah! Anyway, when my chain tool arrives and my cleaning products, I can strip this bike down, put the new chain and sprocket on, put the flip plate on there, clean it up nice. She'll be season ready. Ready to ride with some sport bikes, some supermotos, some dirt bikes, some groms. Whole lot of content coming. Well, Mr. Braps can wheelie. He's been at it. He's been putting in some good practice. That's a mini one on one of these. So when he's done on that, he'll transfer it over to this. I'm gonna get a little bit of practice in quickly. Get used to how she's feeling right now with the new exhaust. There she is. Woo! Oh shit, I nearly dropped. I'm happy with that. Finally! closed. Oh yes, into the sunset. Oh, and there we have it, guys. First ride on the MT with a new exhaust. I'm so gassed. Comment down below. Rate the exhaust 1 out of 10. What do you think?